Welcome to Quiz Treasure. Today we are going to have a quiz on national birds of different countries. 15 questions to answer, 10 seconds per answer. Let's go. Question number 1. What is the national bird of the United States? Bald eagle, peregrine falcon, American robin. The correct option is A. Bald eagle. Number 2. Which bird is the national bird of India? A. Peacock. B. Swan. C. Parrot. The correct option is peacock. Number 3. What is the national bird of New Zealand? A. Kiwi. B. Kea. C. Tui. The correct option is kiwi. Number 4. Which bird is the national bird of the United Kingdom? A. Barn owl. B. European robin. C. Kingfisher. The correct option is European robin. Number 5. What is the national bird of Australia? A. Emu. B. Kookaburra. C. Cockatoo. The correct option is emu. Number 6. What is the national bird of the Philippines? A. Eagle. B. Maya. C. Philippine eagle. The correct option is Philippine eagle. Number 7. Which bird represents Mexico as its national bird? A. Golden eagle. B. Quetzal. C. Roadrunner. The correct option is golden eagle. Number 8. What is the national bird of South Africa? A. Ostrich. B. Blue crane. C. Secretary bird. The correct option is blue crane. Number 9. Which is the national bird of Pakistan? A. Chukar partridge. B. Peacock. C. Falcon. The correct option is Chukar partridge. Number 10. What is the national bird of Japan? A. Red-crowned crane. B. Nightingale. C. Magpie. The correct option is red-crowned crane. Number 11. What is the national bird of Bangladesh? A. Kingfisher. B. Doyle. C. Myna. The correct option is Doyle. Number 12. Which bird is the national bird of Brazil? A. Macaw. B. Toco toucan. C. Rufous-bellied thrush. The correct option is Rufous-bellied thrush. Number 14. What is the national bird of Sri Lanka? A. Sri Lanka junglefowl. B. Indian peafowl. C. Hornbill. The correct option is Sri Lanka junglefowl. Number 14. Which bird is the national bird of France? A. Rooster. B. Swan. C. Nightingale. The correct option is rooster. Number 15. What is the national bird of Norway? A. White-throated dipper. B. Common raven. C. Eurasian eagle owl. The correct option is white-throated dipper. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to share the video. For more videos, click on the bell icon.